Installing kick-in-proof doors can reduce risk and may lead to measurable home insurance benefits. Reinforced entryways change the loss profile insurers see, so start by matching your upgrade to policy language. Look for words like reinforced, rated, solid core, or impact resistant, and ensure the door and frame meet the standards your carrier cites. Use measurable evidence when you make changes. Photograph the door, take dated receipts that list materials and manufacturer model numbers, and keep any certification labels visible so you can provide proof quickly when you request a premium review. When possible, choose doors and hardware with third-party testing or ratings from recognized testing bodies and get a written specification from the installer describing the frame anchoring, hinge reinforcement, and strike plate upgrade. If your insurer asks for an inspection to verify the improvement, schedule it promptly and provide the inspector with the installer contact and the written specification so the visit is decisive. Ask the agent what discount table applies and whether the change affects replacement cost, liability exposure, or loss of use coverage. Because some carriers reduce deductibles or offer percentage discounts on the structure portion of the premium for specific security upgrades. Finally, maintain records and renew them if you change locks, add glazing protection, or alter the threshold so you can re-verify eligibility at renewal and avoid disputes after a claim. The three most common issues are documentation gaps, non-compliant installations, and assumptions about automatic savings. Missing or incomplete receipts and photos make it hard to prove an upgrade, so keep dated invoices, installer statements, and close-up pictures of labels and fasteners to resolve disputes quickly. Poorly executed installations can leave the door no stronger than the old one, so hire an installer who provides written details about anchoring, fasteners, and hardware, and insist on a post-install inspection. If the carrier requires a specific anchor pattern or bolt length, get that in writing from the installer. Homeowners often assume any reinforced door triggers a discount, so before you pay, call your agent to confirm which features matter for premium adjustments, and if the insurer declines a reduction, ask for a formal reconsideration after you submit the full documentation and inspection report. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors around projects like reinforced entryways, so we can share real-world experiences and vendor referrals. Our discussion community lets us exchange installation tips, document templates, and questions to take to an agent so both homeowners and contractors find practical next steps.